Yo, what's up guys? I'm back again with a brand new tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to get modded version of Avakin Life. This will basically give you unlimited gems and Avacoins in the game, which you can use to purchase anything, and don't worry, it's completely safe. I have a bunch of options right there, such as free clothes, unlimited gems and Avacoins, unlock all items, unlock all furniture and much more. The next step is grab your iOS or Android device. I'm using Android today. Once on your device, make sure you already have Avakin Life installed and fully updated. If you need to check, just go to the App Store or Google Play Store. Once that's done, the next step is simply open your favorite browser like me and follow my instruction. In the search bar, type Avakin Life and press install. After the installation is complete, the mod will be installed on your Android or iOS device. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video.